Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a newsletter with Canva. So first is first, you have to go to Canva, sign up, create an account. Once you have created an account using your email, password, or your Google account, then all you have to do is look for create a design, go to the search bar and then look for a newsletter. You will see different results for newsletter right here. So you have to pick the template that you are looking for. So let's just say I wanted to use the email newsletter, but actually everything is up to you. You just have to click that one. It will take you directly to another page where you can see this blank page right here. Go to design and then look for the specific um, template or keyword for your newsletter. So for example, this one right here, then you can change the caption or the title. You can drag it anywhere. You can change the font style, font size. You can change effects, font color. Everything is up to you. So for example, this one right here, I have to add this like a headline, and then I'm going to change the effect. But actually everything is up to you. If you tap on effects, you will see this option. Also for colors, you can change that one right here. And then for images, of course, if you have your own product, if you have your own images, all you have to do is tap on the upload option right here. Then you have to upload your images or your product. Once you have your images here in Canva, all you have to do is to drag the photos or images in these frames. So I'm going to show you what it looks like after I have added my products or my images right here. Okay, you can add more information, you can add text, you can add face, whatever you want to add right here. You can add more elements. And once you're done, then you just have to simply tap on the share icon. If you want to download this as PNG, PDF, everything is up to you. But basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.